And gals, and welcome back to Exposition Daniel. And it is literally storming. Look in that window for just keep looking at it. Do you see that? Do you see that lightning? It's crazy. Okay, so today, since it's raining outside, what other better day to play Geometry Dash while it's raining? Okay, so we are going to try to beat Can't Let It Go, and I am super pumped. Okay? Alright, let's do this, guys. Dang it. Okay. Do-do-do-do, ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Dang it! Boy, why do you do this? Why? Why you do? Okay. Oh, that was literally the closest. Boy! Oh my god. You guys hear that? It just started raining harder. Hold on. Oh, come on. Okay, what I'm actually going to do for you guys is I'm going to extend this as much as possible. Okay, just keep looking at that window, okay? Look at that. Constant lightning. Literally constant. Just keep... It's non-stop. Because, I love it, okay? I love it. Actually, since it's storming out, what we could do search. Really? None. NA. Search. Okay. We're gonna need to download something. Should be okay. Oh, that was cool. Listen to that beat. Dang it. Okay, now I'm actually going to try and beat it. Okay, could you let me over this gear? Here we go. Boy, what the heck? I'm sad now. Okay, let's do a different one. No, I don't want to delete it. I just wanted to get out of it. Download something again. Taking up all my storage up there, but it's fine. Yeah. No. Notification. Fine. Oh, I didn't even need to jump over that. Dang it! I keep thinking I need to jump over stuff that I don't need to jump over. Frick! Okay, hold on. What was that notification? Okay. This will not get the best of me. Oh, the lightning! The lightning is real! Oh! I need to get past that 3 jump. 3 spike! Oh! I did it! Don't be throwing new stuff at me! Oh yeah, my dog is here. Say hi! Say hi! Yeah. Okay. You keep... Okay, get ready. What? Just just, okay. I do not like that level. I just do not. Yes, my favorite song! Yes, thank God. Ow. That hurt, you know. Ah! Frick, 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 frick. Bing. Yeah. I'm done. I'm done with this level. Download. It's downloading right down there. If you can see my finger, there it is. Play, download complete. What the boy? Like, what? I have to do all of this? Okay. No, thank you. Thank you very much. Look at Chase. Chase, look at the camera. Hi. Yeah, he's scared because he's right next to me. Because he's scared that there's a storm. It's hurt his ears. The game could freaking load. Okay. What? All this new stuff is just coming. Okay. Here we go. Not fair! Not freaking fair! Ha! I want to hit my dog Chase so badly right now. But I don't because he's my pup. Brick! Does it have legs? What? Need to be ready. Yes, I actually... Okay. Oh, I got a coin. Brick! You know what? No. Download another thing. Jeez. Boy. Brick. If you could let me jump. This isn't lightning. You know what? Let's do something else. You know, let's go on demon. You know, demon is always fun. Demon's always fun. You know? Let's play. Yay! Oh. This is gonna be way too hard. Wait, what does that say? No, I need to know. Disable background. No, okay, I need. No, too hard. Too hard. Let me just search. Dang it. Alright, normal. There we go. Okay, let's do this. Oh, this is cool. Key, get the key. Key. I didn't get the key. Oh, okay, I have no idea what's going on right now. Are you rolling? What is this? Oh my god. What? I have no idea what's going on. Blah. I had no idea what was going on there. And it didn't tell me. So I'm gonna sue them. I hate this song. You know what? I'm gonna go to one that I like, you know? And you guys probably already know which one it is. It's this one. The 4th level. I love this song. I'm not even gonna talk because you guys need to hear the glory of this song. Okay, he's gonna start over. You know what, guys? I'm gonna be dead. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be the last. Okay, no, this one is gonna be the last. And then I'm gonna have to end this video. Alright, this is gonna be the last. I'm gonna have to end this video because it's getting close to 15 minutes of this video. And apparently, I can't upload things 15 minutes long, which I hate. Okay, guys. I guess that's gonna be it for today. You need to not forget to like. You need not to forget to comment. You need to not forget to subscribe. And I will see all of you guys in the next video. Where is it? There it is. Yeah.